Hey guys, this is Jenna
and Josh
with Resort TV One, and today we are here on the Disney Treasure.
Woo!
And we're going to give you a tour of our stateroom.
So let's get started.
Let's do it. All right, well, we're walking into our stateroom, and first thing you see is the bed with the beautiful Treasure logo right here. Let me go wide angle so you can see a little more here. And then this amazing mural of Aladdin's Agrabah?
Agrabah.
That's it. You can even see Aladdin and Jasmine, Genie over there in the corner.
He's in the moon.
How cool is this?
It's so cool.
Amazing.
And the pillows are even very fancy with the little designs around the border there.
They sure are.
Oh, even the Disney Cruise Line logo on the comforter there.
Oh, that's so cool. And then you've got two end table things, so you have a place to put your phone, glasses, whatever you need.
Even charging stations for international.
That's right. Yeah, and nice lamps on both sides. More charging over here. And then we have a nice sofa. It's a pull-out sofa.
Yes.
So somebody can sleep here. A little table as well. And then look at this cool artwork as well of Agrabah. I said it right this time.
Yep. I got the Cave of Wonders over there, all the things.
So neat.
And I think 2 people can sleep on this sleeper sofa, I believe, maybe? I don't know.
Well, I think you're right. Yeah, I think
2 people, and then we thought that if you order it this way, there's a bunk bed that comes down. Now, obviously, we didn't need that.
We don't need it, yeah.
But I think the crew member has to do that for you.
Yeah, if you have a kid or somebody, yeah, that's where they would go there. And then there's curtains, so if you want to separate the 2 sections, you can do that as well, which is really nice.
Yes.
And then behind Josh, we have a nice cabinet with storage. We even have some fun little treasures. Look at
Adventure Minnie.
Adventure Minnie. She's so cute.
An adventure hat.
Got the hat and the ears and a little scarf. But yeah, they have a vanity here, so you can get ready here as well. Even a little seat. More charging ports here in the corner.
Yeah, there's some on both sides of the mirror.
Both sides. Some cups. And this is actually an adjoining room, which
Yes.
is neat. So if you have friends joining your family, then you can have that. Another neat artwork here on this side. Wow, look at all that storage. So lots of places to put different things. All your treasures.
All your treasures on the treasure.
See what I did there?
I did see that.
Before we go out to outside to show you the balcony, let's go show the bathrooms.
Okay.
So what's really cool about Disney Cruise Line? Oh, and here's the TV as well, which is nice, so you can watch the TV while you're in bed.
Yes, it's right there.
Really cool. And I also think it moves.
Probably does.
Maybe, I'm not sure. So if you're on the...
Yes, it does. I don't want to mess with it. Yeah, it's got a little hinge on it.
So you can watch it while you're on the couch. Oh, more storage over here.
Yep.
And then what's really cool about the Disney cruise lines, different than any cruise line, they have 2 separate bathroom areas. So this one has the shower.
It is a step up, by the way.
A sink, yes. Most of them are step ups. And the shower is nice and big. Sometimes on cruise ships they're very tiny. But this even has a tub, so if you have little ones, you can give them a bath, which is nice as well. Sink, a mirror. All the towels. They even have the Disney Cruise Line logo on the towels. Some body lotion. And sea salt soap. And then they have all of that in the shower as well. It's very nice. And places to put things, which is great in the shower. Sometimes they have no places to put anything, so they have some shelves as well. And if you're wanting to get ready and look and see how your outfit is for the day, they do have a full-length mirror here on the back of the store, which is very important to see if your outfit and shoes and things go together. All right.
And over here is the second area of bathroom.
The second bathroom. Let's get the light on. We have the toilet and another sink, so 2 people can get ready at the same time, which is nice. Somebody brush their teeth, somebody putting makeup on. Another nice mirror with more storage here on the side, again, which is really, really nice.
All right.
And then behind us are closets. Got a nice place to hang some things. The life vests are up here. And then on this side, more storage and the safe. And also more life vests. And we have another little closet area here with more hangers. I already have a sweater in there. And places to put things. There's some
This
of
is
our
the
bags.
ladder for the bunk bed, apparently.
That's what we're thinking.
Yeah.
I assume so. I was just checking out this cool carpet and I found a hidden Mickey. Look, a hidden Mickey.
There
down
is a hidden Mickey. He's hiding pretty well.
I love that. Okay, so now we're going to take you out on our amazing veranda, they call them on
Yes.
the Disney cruise. So let's go out and show you. So there's a lock up top, and I have to unlock this as well. And here we go.
Out we go.
So we've got 2 chairs, a nice table here. Got to step out. And it's a nice big size veranda.
It really is.
It's so neat. And right now we're still at
Incredible.
port, of
Yes.
course. So you can see the Disney Cruise Line port right here, the parking garage. But soon it'll be ocean as far
That's
as
right.
the eye can see.
That's right. It'll be amazing. But yeah, there's the terminal and parking garage and gangway and everything. And but we'll be out to sea soon enough.
Yes, we will. But you can still see the ocean from here. Oh, and over here is the Disney Wish.
Hello, Wish.
Hello, I was on that a couple months ago.
I wonder which one sails first.
Ah, that's a good question, actually. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the room tour, or stateroom tour, I should say, of the Disney Treasure.
That's right. We're on deck 6, by the way.
Yes, we are on deck 6, not far from the Grand Hall and all the things. We're mid-ship.
A little more towards forward,
Are we
close to
more
the
forward?
forward
Okay, just
elevators, and we're on the starboard side.
There you go. So it's beautiful. We love it, and we love that ours is Aladdin themed. So cool, just like the Grand Hall.
Yeah.
And yeah, let us know down below if you're excited to sail on the Treasure one day. And definitely give us a thumbs up
Yep.
if you like this video.
That's right. And also, big thank you to Disney for
Yes.
having us on this cruise. We really appreciate it. So thank you, Disney.
Thanks, Disney. And yeah, check out all of our awesome sponsors. Links are down below in the description of the video. We'll see you guys soon.
See you soon.
So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free vacation planning advice. Check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida to be closer to the magic, the team at Resort TV One Homes, brokered by eXp Realty and in partnership with the Funk Collection, would love to make your dreams come true. Go to resorttv1homes.com and fill out the contact form for more info. And if you would like to treat your family to a stay at a Disney Deluxe Villa for a fraction of the cost, go check out David's Vacation Club Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.